Keseng Kongres kalapan pau kajing memihah berkarai jangka sarkar banpa ia kibriu kibriu ia kajing pang COVID-19 lani kibatas positif bagian sa aki yang kisam kejongki lani bikin syong ia kata ke home quarantine. Hai berkeran berkilap thai khubor hadi melawai ke jalang ke belakot dau menteri nang mak jangka jela ia ki MLA jangka East Castle District ikong amperin lengdo MLA jangka East Silong ilaong bagajeng pa ia kibriu kibriu positif syaki yang kisam kan bu kajing ia ke bakrau tang iki yang kisam hendairu ia ke senong kathau ilong bakidan sibun kilong yung lang sam kibaduk kibasuk kibamla satya man penbiang ya kajakasa jong kini kibriu kiblangat ya kini kejengpang lalu kataru ilong kan wanra ya kejeng sir jagi paima kibasong hakisnong hakabakini ki yang kisam kidon lalu kataru ilong bakibriu kibayo ya kini kejengpang kinumla bas sumar hi daladi ya ladi tadi kibayeng kibasam kibas sumar ya ki lat satang bagi belak bersa kibakum kini kiyeng kelak menong tegi doktor lani kinam tray jong kakot kakia kibalak bas sumar daladi ya ladi.
We as legislators are incompetent to make a comment on that. But you cannot substitute institutional quarantining to home quarantining just because of somebody's unstable mental health or mental state of mind is questioned. Whether the person stays at home or if the person stays in an institutional quarantine center, the mental trauma remains the same. In fact, at home, that individual, I would say, I'm not an expert, but I'm just saying, I'm observing that the moment you say that I have tested positive, definitely I will be disturbed mentally. So that mental disturbance will not change whether you're at home or you're in an institution. However, if you are well-to-do, for example, if you are a doctor and you have been tested positive, surely you have the competency to go home and quarantine in your home if you have your facilities, because you're a doctor and you have the wherewithal to home quarantine. But if I am a normal if I belong to the economically weaker section, I will be having mental torture and wondering whether my family will also get tested positive because of me. So there are two sides of the coin, and we await for the constitution of these committees where MLAs will now, especially MLAs of red zones, will be part of the planning.
Haba priang ya kajing penbaik ka sarkar bat kemeli kin syam ya kajing ket kli ban luman lang baki COVID management committee ban pai ya kani kajing e ikong apring lang do ilapan pau ba kapor ka priang e kamtam e kemeli ki badai ne ki jaka ki bahap ki red zone bakin syam ya kajing ket kli bat ikmi lan tiru ba ka sarkar kan penmi klo ya karai nagabata ban thau ya kini ki committee.
Government is well seized of the issue that they do not have adequate numbers of institutional quarantine centers. So they have assured us that they will resit to plan possible corona care centers. It could be that facilities within localities will be utilized. Facilities like guest houses and hotels will be utilized, because many individuals who have now tested positive have nowhere to go. There are not enough facilities. Government can provide, according to the slide, maybe up to 400 capacities, 400 to 500 capacity. Now, as the numbers are increasing, yesterday alone 126 positive cases. So because of this alarming increase in the community spread of this pandemic, government has requested all legislators to participate, especially in areas where the red zone is becoming larger by the day. So we are happy that we've been given this opportunity and we were able to have free and frank discussions. We await for government action, and we are positive that government, after having taken us on board, will act to some of the grievances that we have